Breathing chair assembly. First, we will assemble the base for the pad. Find the tube with two holes in the middle to be the front and back of the base. Use the short hexagon screws for base assembly. 2 screws for each corner. Now place the base on top of the pad. Make sure the screw holes for the legs is facing up on the base. We use fender washers and long screws to secure the pad to the base. Now the base and the pad are attached tightly together. Now we put this to the side and assemble the legs. Find 2 flat bars first. Then find 4 short square tubes to be placed on top of the flat bars. Attach flat bars and square tubes together using short screws. Make sure the screw holes are facing each other for adding beam later. The horizontal beams can be placed in front or in the back. The empty screw holes are for installation of metal chains later. The horizontal beam has no holes in it. The purpose of the beam is to set the legs apart. If you put the beam in the back, then the base of the pad needs to be assembled this way. The screw holes need to be to the front. Use 8 short screws here to put the legs and the base together. We only use the long screws for the pad. Now we can put the vertical beams on top of the base using short screws. You can choose the positions you like. The horizontal beam also have many positions to choose from. Make sure the holes on the vertical supporting beams and on horizontal beam are all facing forward. They will be used for leg cuffs later. For each leg, connect the metal chain to the leg using fender washer and short hexagon screw. The metal chains are for the wrist cuff. It is not required, but it will be more fun. You can put it in either one of the 2 holes here. Secure ankle cuffs onto the top of the screw holes. Ta-da! This is the fully assembled breathing chair. Enjoy!